During a high-stake meeting with a potential client, the shrewd CEO raised his head, looked me straight in the eye, and asked me, "So tell me, Mr. Mynditude, what's your story?" The shortest distance between two people has always been a story. Storytelling helps build connections and grow ideas. For centuries, people used stories to motivate, inspire, control, recruit. One thing for sure, the most influential stories ever told all had one element in common: a purpose. We tell stories every day, but few of us do that with a purpose. What if we use storytelling in our daily life to connect, influence, and get things done? Introducing the STORYFICATIon workshop by mynditude, an interactive and engaging journey to experience and grow the skill of purposeful storytelling. STORYFICATIon takes your team's influential abilities to a whole new level across multiple areas: sales, negotiations, motivation, presentations, networking, personal relationships, team harmony, and more. Our experience taught us, great stories come from the heart and they talk to the heart. And when told right, they trigger people to see the unseen, to do the unimaginable, to listen harder, to think deeper, to believe, to get inspired, and surely to team up. In our STORYFICATIon workshop, participants will experience telling their own stories using our simple 5 steps model leading to the big reveal, bridging it to the context at hand, and always with a purpose in mind. Going back to my client's question, "Tell me, Mr. Mynditude, what's your story?" It will be the first story we tell you during your STORYFICATIon workshop.